Welcome. Let's explore the exciting world of science careers and how you can get on the ladder. Science is a vast and dynamic field with endless possibilities for those passionate about discovery and innovation. From biology to physics, the science sector offers diverse paths for every interest and skill set. You can make a real difference, unravel the mysteries of our planet, and contribute to world-changing advancements. The science sector primarily consists of researchers who discover new things and technicians who conduct experiments and operate equipment. Researchers delve into new knowledge and find solutions to various problems. Technicians and technologists carry out experiments and operate scientific equipment. Explore profiles like chemist, forensic scientist, lab technician, botanist, and physicist on Unifrog. To succeed in science, you'll need specific skills. Let's discuss the most important ones. A genuine curiosity to understand the world around you is fundamental to any science role. Accurate record-keeping and meticulous attention to detail are crucial for successful scientific work. Basic mathematical skills are essential for data analysis and scientific calculations. Start building your experience early through school, college, or university activities. Join a science club, participate in competitions, and expand your practical skills. Get involved with university science societies tailored to your specific interests. There are many ways to gain experience outside of the educational environment. Contribute to real scientific research through citizen science projects on platforms like Zooniverse. Attend or volunteer at science festivals, museums, or planetariums to broaden your exposure. Take online courses through MOCs and stay updated by reading publications like New Scientist. Gain practical experience through shadowing, placements, or internships in science-related environments. Work shadowing offers valuable insights, while placements provide hands-on experience. In the UK, apprenticeships offer a path to gain experience and qualifications in science. Use these resources to further explore science careers and opportunities. Learn about UK work experience placements at the Science and Technologies Facilities Council. Explore relevant subjects and career sectors using COFE's tools. Discover a range of related science careers on Unifrog, from astronomer to physicist.